Okay, I want to give you a little tip of the day today. I recorded my walking video, and if you could, as you can see on the screen right here, it's not in the rotate mode. Now, what YouTube did in the new YouTube Studio, they've removed the rotate buttons. So what you've got to do is click on Editor and go into your video editor. And you'll see trim here. There used to be rotate left, rotate right. That's no longer there. So how to restore that, you need to actually click on the Add Blur button. So click on that. It opens up a new window. And on this window, there's another trim button. Right-click on that trim button and go to Inspect. Okay, this is going to open up the HTML editor. And you'll find here where it says, I'll have to find it here, right here. This here, enhance rotate buttons, hidden equals in quotation true. So you got to click on here, double click on it, and carefully put your mouse on the right hand side of this last quotation. Backspace this out to remove that code. Click away from it. And there's one more step that you have to do, is you have to click on, where did they put it? Close, on the top right-hand corner here. You have to actually close that so that it saves, okay? And look what happens. The trim buttons are restored. So now I could flip my video and rotate to the correct setting. So that's my tip of the day, restoring the rotate buttons in the new YouTube Studio.